Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our new video. Today, inshallah, we will continue with our lesson number prefixes from Unit 6, Week 4. We already discussed the first 10 words till the word bisect according to our presentation. So today, inshallah, we will start by the words that we have. The first word we have today, as you can see the picture and the definition, a pair of tubes with lenses at both ends that help you see four things clearly. Of course, it is binoculars. Again, binoculars. The word is a noun. As we can see the sentence here, I use my binoculars to watch birds. After that, a support with three legs. Support like a holder for the camera, for the phone, for the telescope. It is what? Tripod. Again, tripod. Tripod. The word is a noun. We see the sentence here. You should mount the camera on a tripod. You should put the camera on a tripod. After that, here the picture is showing three brothers. One of three children born to the same parent at the same time, like twins, but three. We call them triplet. We call them what? Triplet. Again, triplet. The word is a noun. As we can see the example, a triplet was lost from his parents in the mall. One of the three kids was lost in the mall. Then we see the difference in the sizes. 3 times as large as something. The last one is 3 times as large as the first one. We call it triple. We call it triple. The word is an adjective. We use it to describe nouns or pronouns. The example we have, this sandwich has triple the size of the normal one. I'm sorry you cannot see the word one, it is out of the recording part, but still the example is saying this sandwich has triple the size of the normal one. Then we have this kind of a vehicle like a bike with 3 wheels. We call it tricycle. Tricycle. Again, we call it tricycle. The word is a noun, like the bicycle. My baby sister rides her tricycle. Then, of course, all of you know the shape. A flat shape with 3 straight sides. Yeah, of course, we call it triangle. Triangle. The word, of course, is a noun. I drew a triangle. Then, a group of 3, like 3 friends, for example, or a team of 3 to play something. We call it trio. Trio. The word is a noun. The trio ran quickly down the road. 3 of them ran quickly down the road. After that, a meter has 100 centimeters. Again, a meter has 100 centimeters. So we are talking about the unit of measurement, which we call it centimeter. Again, centimeter. Again, centimeter. The word is a noun. The example, this book is 20 centimeters in length. Then, a small insect with many legs. We call it centipede. Centipede. Of course, it's a name of the insect, so it is a noun. I was scared when I saw the centipede. After that, a period of 100 years. A period of 100 years, we call it century. Again, century. The word is a noun. We live in the 21st century. We live in the 21st century. And that was the last word for our presentation today. I hope you understood all the words. Now we will have a look at the book. The first page about this lesson is page 170. Page 170. The first exercise that we have is too easy to do it. Just to write the word as one word. Here we have the prefix by itself and then a part of the word. So we need to write it as one word. Here we have uni and verse, so we will write here universe. And we will do the same for the rest of the exercise, just to write the words. Okay, after that, in page 171, as we can read the instructions, write the spelling words that begin with each prefix. So we just need to group them according to the prefix. Here, the group that starts with uni, after that, the group that starts with by, then try, then sent. So we will just put them in the correct group. For example, tripod, we will write it in the group of tri. Then triplet, also in the same group. Unicorn, uniform, both of them will be in uni. And we will do the same for the rest of the exercise. After that, page 172. The first exercise, as we can read the instructions, write the spelling word that matches each definition below. So we need to give the word that will be correct to the definition. The first one that we have is bring together. Bring together, like as we can see, it's a verb, to bring together. So we already discussed the words before. The answer should be unify. The first one will be unify. Okay, let's write it. Okay, we can write it here, page 172. We said the first one is unify. After that, for number 2, we have 100 years. This one we just said it. It is, yeah, century. Number 2 will be century. Then number 3, we have mythical animal related to myth. This one is the unicorn. Number 3 will be unicorn. After that, number 4, a group of 3. A group of 3. We already said this. It can be confusing a little bit because we have triplet and we have trio. But we said that triplet are brothers or brothers and sisters. Okay, but here we didn't have the word brothers or sisters, something like that. So it is just a group of friends, for example, so it will be trio. Number 4 will be trio. Then we have number 5, three-legged stand or support. Okay, also for the camera or for the phone, things like this. We already said this one will be tripod. Here, tripod. Then one-wheeled vehicle, that then one-wheeled vehicle, a vehicle that goes with just one wheel. Of course it is unicycle. Then figure with 3 sides, a shape with 3 sides. Yeah, it is related to the math, which is triangle. Triangle. Number 8, bug with many legs. The only bug that we have is centipede. After that, divide into 2 parts. To cut something into 2 parts, a verb which is bisect. And the last one for the first exercise, school for higher learning. Of course, not the high school, no, the level after the high school, which is university. That was the first exercise. Then the other one, to complete the sentence with the correct word. The first sentence here, number 11, Johnny is too young for a two-wheeler. This means he cannot ride a bicycle. So he rides the easier one to use for his age will be tricycle. Number 11, tricycle. Then the students recited the poem together in, we want to say they did it together. So here, if we have a look here, it is in unison. After that, one what likes to play sports while other two do not. Here he is talking about 3 people. Of course, the sentence is not too clear to choose triplet, but still we already choose trio, so we still have what? Triplet. 3 kids, or 3 brothers, or 3 sisters. Number 14, my band, what? Has a white jacket and blue pants. His band or his team, all of them dress in the same way. So it is a uniform. They wear the same uniform. After that, number 15. How exciting it would be to explore the what in a spaceship. Of course, to use the spaceship, you should leave our planet, so you will be out in the universe. Here we have it, universe. Then the huge dog is what? The size of my small pet. We want to say it is bigger than the small pet. We had this word here, which is triple. Then grandmother uses what to watch birds in her yard? Something that she is using to see the far objects in her yard. Yeah, it is the binoculars. Here, binoculars. After that, instead of taking a bus to school, I ride my, yeah, the bike or bicycle. Then, what is a small unit of measurement? Of course, we know this. It is centimeter. The last one, I cancelled my subscription to the what newsletter? A newsletter that is published every 2 weeks. Yeah, it is bi-weekly. And that was the last one for the second exercise. I hope you understood the whole lesson, and if you have any question, please write it on Winjigo, and see you later inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.